N-bars are a new tool for making the abstract concept of number concrete and tangible for young children, and I'm going to introduce you to them now. N-bars have a unique design and many features to help bring number to life for young children. As you can see, N-bars have a consistent size. The N-bar 1 is a cube, and the N-bars from 2 to 10 are cuboids, and they all look and feel the same. They're a very flexible resource which can be used to create and form lots of structures that model mathematical numbers. And as you'll see on the side of the N-bars, there are holes to encourage mark making as one of their core educational uses. What we want to do with N-bars is to enrich the classroom experience, to create a unique manipulative that can be used to actually build numbers and actually physically represent those numbers so that it makes that concept tangible for children. They can be used alongside all other manipulatives that you typically find in the classroom, like Numicon, like Multilink, or natural resources that you use to represent numbers. It's a new addition, a new tool that we want to put in the hands of great educators. So as you can see, the unique things about N-bars is that they're a consistent size for each of the numbers 1 to 10, and they can be used to actually build numbers.